Well, Danielle, it's just starting to kind of sprinkle out here again. The wind's definitely picking up, so those elements are definitely still going on out here. But you can see that it is still flooded in this area just right off the road. And you can see it's probably, it goes all the way up to my shin. So if you're driving, you still need to be careful and, not to land in this water. But there's a lot of flooded areas throughout here. And just half a mile up the road, there are some road closures. And here's a list of those roads for you. So there are closures in New Holland on Gunter Pond Road. That's closed due to high water. Big Branch Road off Sandan Road in Wagner is submerged. Also in Minetta, parts of Cumbie Trail Road is closed. Now we do have that full list on our website if you go to our Find It button, but also in Sally, South Carolina, they were hit pretty hard too. They saw 6 inches of rain over the weekend, and now one of the problems there is bodies of water. The Hollow Creek Fire Chief says it's a domino effect, and when one pond blows, the other one does as well. Now there are still 2 or 3 that they are worried about out there. So EMA is reminding people who do live near those bodies of water to monitor those levels closely. Now Governor Nikki Haley said this is a flood disaster, something they haven't seen in nearly 1,000 years. Now we aren't still out of the clear just yet. There is a flash flood watch until noon today. Now you can see again there are still a lot of flooded waters out here in this area, so you want to be careful for those, especially if you're going to drive out on the roads. But they are suggesting that you stay inside and that you stay safe. Now we are still working to find out the exact number of flooding and damages that has happened in Aiken County. Again, Meredith, you can see out here there's still a lot of flooding, still a lot of water, and like we're saying, we're still not in the clear yet. So if you're driving out here, especially be careful. This is right here on the side of the road, and these roads are still pretty slick, so you could easily just kind of dive in here. So your best bet is really just to not be out on the roads and stay inside if you can. Now, if you do have an emergency, you can call 911. Now, if you do see some flooding like this, or you see some power lines down, you can call 211 for that. But again, we have the full list of road closures on our website. We still aren't out of the woods yet, even though it is dying down, so make sure you still are careful out there this morning.